Hi, I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today we're at Petite Academy in Lincoln Hills, Illinois, and we're going to be raising about 200 linear feet of sidewalk to level joints, correct pitch, and help the concrete drain water better and eliminate trip hazards. So we're going to run through a couple of shots and show you exactly what we're talking about doing here today, what the problems are, and then you're going to get to see the final product when we're all done. So let's take a look at what this looks like before we raise the concrete. So here are some shots of the job before we've started raising any concrete. As you can see, the sidewalk is dropped along the curb, and we have some trip hazards here, and actually water tends to pool in some spots because it just has nowhere to drain. Aside from trip hazards, dropped concrete is just an eyesore. It just doesn't look good. Here are more areas where water doesn't drain properly. So we're going to get started raising this concrete now, but first, sometimes we get asked about warranties. We bid a job, a common question is, do you warranty your work? And the answer is, of course we do. We feel very confident in our work, and we have no problem standing behind it. But a quick word on warranties. It's kind of like anything else in life. You have to sometimes be wary of the extremes of things. And in the world of warranties, you can have everything from a 1-year warranty all the way up to a lifetime warranty. And those are really the extremes that we see. And if you think about it, a 1-year warranty, that doesn't really provide you much security or value. And to us, it really says that the contractor providing the service doesn't even have confidence in his work enough to give you more than a 1-year warranty. There's something wrong with that. And on the other end of the scale, if someone is touting a lifetime warranty or some very long period of time, you really ask yourself, what are the catches here? We would just recommend that you do your due diligence, read the fine print, and understand, what are, any loopholes or conditions that the contractor is putting on you that really would void any value to you in the future if you have problems with your concrete settling again. Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, we provide a solid warranty without any tricky language, loopholes, and things that eliminate our liability in the agreement. So do your due diligence with warranties, but that's enough of that for now. Let's look at some time-lapse videos as we get this concrete pushed up. Thanks for watching.